Do you want to change the username you use when logging into your WordPress website? It's not possible to change your username in WordPress using the same method as changing your full name or password, but there are a few ways around that. In this video, we will show you how to change WordPress usernames step by step. So let's start the video. To do this, you will need the WPSwiss Toolkit plugin. You can download the plugin from WordPress.org and also from the link which is given in our video description. If you download from our link, this will give you some added benefits, such as you will get discount code on our Pro plugins and will know details about our products. Once the download is complete, install and activate the plugin. Now find here WPSwiss Toolkit option. Hover your mouse here. Click on the Features option. It will take you to this page. Here you will see numerous options. Don't worry, this is a multifunctional plugin. For example, it has various options including Spotlight Search, Maximum Upload Size Increase, Favicon Upload, SVG Image Support, Upload Custom Avatar, Username Change, Post/Page Duplicate, WP Admin Login URL Change, Headers and Footers Inserter, Passwordless Temporary Login, and User Switching. Anyway, today we will see how to change WordPress username. Find the username changer option and turn it on. Now go to Users. Click on Profile. Scroll down and find the Edit Username option here. Enter your new username here. Now click on the Update Profile button. This way you can easily change your WordPress username without any hassle. And as I said earlier, this is a multifunctional plugin. So there are separate videos for each feature of our plugin. Link in the description. Check it out. You can also check our other plugins. We have several WordPress plugins. The most popular plugins are Top Table of Contents and WP Mobile Bottom Menu. Check out the link in the description. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.